Homebakers, to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every week. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another heavenly and delicious cake, the Black Forest cake. Black Forest cake is a chocolate cake with a very rich cherry filling based on a German dessert, the Black Forest cherry tart. The cake layers are usually soaked in cherry brandy syrup and then filled with whipped cream and cherries. This version of mine has no alcohol in it, so it is kid friendly. This recipe is specially requested by my classmate from high school, so this is for you. I hope you will like it. The ingredients are 4 eggs, 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of water, 3/4 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of coffee, the soaking syrup, cherry juice, and 1/2 cup of white sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, the cream for the chocolate ganache, and 520 grams of chocolate chips for the ganache. For garnishing, the chocolate bars, and for the frosting, 1 pack of cream cheese, 225 grams, 2/3 cup of sifted powdered sugar, 1 can of cherry pie filling. Let's start mixing. We'll start with the butter. We're going to cream the butter until it is light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time. 4 eggs. Combine the liquid, the water, and the milk. Then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then sift the flour. Cocoa. Baking powder, and the baking soda. Salt. Sift. One teaspoon of coffee. Then we're going to put this in our prepared pan, 8 inches, 3 8 inches pan waxed at the bottom. We're going to pour this equally. Then we're going to bake at 300 for at least 30 minutes or until done. You will know if it is done when you insert the toothpick and it comes out clean, or if it springs back when you touch it at the center. You know that it is done. While the cake is baking, we're going to prepare the soaking syrup. Add 1/2 cup of white sugar to 1/2 cup of cherry juice. Then we're going to microwave this, or you can heat this in a pan overheat. Now this is the soaking syrup. Going to let this cool and then set aside. Now the cake is out of the oven. Bake at 300 for 35 minutes. We're going to let this cool for a while and then invert. The cake has now cooled. Now we're going to invert. We're going to make the ganache for 500 grams of chocolate chips in a bowl, and then add hot cream. Okay, we're going to microwave this both. You can also cook this in a double boiler if you don't have microwave oven, and then you can use your whisk or electric mixer. It is easier. This proportion is 2:1. 2 for the chocolate chips and 1 for the cream. We're going to set this aside. For the cream cheese frosting, we're going to beat 1 package of 225 grams of cream cheese at room temperature. Then add the sugar, powdered sugar. Then add the whipping cream, 2 cups, 1 cup, 2 cups. Then mix. stiff look. We're going to decorate. Okay, we're going to start decorating. We're going to put the syrup. So this will remain moist. I'm going to put chocolate ganache on the sides to prevent the filling from getting out. Okay, then our whipped cream. Then we're going to add the cherry pie filling. Then we add the filling. The next layer, same procedure. Put the syrup. Third layer. I'm going to chill this for a while before we add the chocolate curls and the topping. Meanwhile, we're going to do the chocolate curls. You can use the peeler to make chocolate curls. Now the cake is chilled for 30 minutes. I'm going to add the chocolate curls. We're going to add chocolate ganache on top. Okay, and then we're going to put the cherry pie filling on top. Then we're going to pipe this rosette. Then we're going to put the cherry on top. There. Going to remove this. There you have it, my Black Forest cake. Look how pretty and yummy. So yummy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!